Ahlan wa sahlan, everybody. It is Ahmed Fakim, Minister for Corruption and Conspiracy for the Palestinian Authority here in Ramallah, reporting to you about the untimely murder by the Yahud of Ziad Abu Ain, the noble martyr and Minister for Settlements, and Itbah al-Yahud. You see, we know that the Yahud, the Zayoni, caused the heart attack that killed Ziad Abu Ain by using a microscopic submarine that they inserted into his anus, and that it swam up and blocked his aorta and caused this heart attack. We know this. We know all of the Zioni conspiracies, just like the Yahud used the blood of Palestinians and Christians for their matzot and their wine. And just as when my cousin Ahmed in Ramallah, he left his headlights on and his car battery died, we know that this too was a Zionist plot. We as the Palestinian people reserve the right to never take responsibility for any of our actions and to condemn the Zayoni for everything when something goes wrong. Ziad Abu Ain was a noble martyr, a noble jihadist. He had the blood of Zionis on his hands. He was lucky to get out of prison. He had 72 virgins in this life, and inshallah he will get 72 virgins in the next life. Ziad, we thank you for your commitment to Itbah al-Yahud and to watching settlement affairs, and we wish you good luck in paradise. Yalla, Allah Akbar, Takbir.